So sad. You want some chicken?
But it never feeds me.
Kelly Osbourne comes in to put up a post on her Instagram storyline saying, "In all my sadness and grief, I have found something that truly makes me happy. I never thought I would find my smile again through Falcone, but I did. I absolutely love being with the birds." So you can literally see Kelly finding something that can take away the grief of his dad. We all know that he literally lost his dad. That is Ozzy Osbourne. May he so rest in eternal peace within this year. So that is how he's trying to recover from the grief.